Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Nasib Zada, Senior Subject Specialist in Chemistry, and you are watching my YouTube channel. Studentano, nan zamunga yo important topic de the solid state of matter, chapter number 6, class first year, characteristic properties of solids. Characteristic properties of crystalline solids. Very important topic there. The crystalline solid characteristic properties bani your previous lecture zama mawjud de YouTube bani. Katasu YouTube channel ke nevi ai, no please the channel subscribe kai, bell icon press kai, chi tasu ta par time notification milavigi, aw tasu ta regular information hasiligi about uploading new videos. Our friends sara da share hum kai chagui hum da dena faida wali. Thank you so much. Previous lecture ki munga so characteristic properties the crystalline solid discuss kudu. Agi symmetry, elements of symmetry, crystal shape, crystal growth, geometrical shape, then alawa and isotropy, habit of the crystal, or wasara sharp melting point, and so on. Their lengthy session o yawagenta session waga, their helpful de aga hum stasura para tasu previous video kateshay. Yo so properties pati again their important properties di no na topic their important de aw tasu da video skip kawai mo pura video ugorai che tasu bade topic poye shay aw maximum information hasil kai. Let's start the topic. Characteristic properties of crystalline solid. 7 properties mong already discussed kadu. Nan 8th property of crystalline solid is isomorphism. 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 And isomorphs. Isomorphs. Students, the word meaning sade, no awal word meaning explain kau. Word meaning. The word isomorphism matlab sade mane sada. It is the combination of 3 words. Iso means same. Morph means structure, shape, and ism means a phenomenon या process or या reality. Same structure phenomenon, same structure process, same structure reality. Definition, the isomorphism definition. 2 or more than 2 solid substances, 2 or more than 2 solids या solid substances having the same crystal structures are called isomorphs, and this phenomenon is called isomorphism. Isomorphism. So, students, this is the definition of isomorphism. Dwa ya do ziyad, 2 or more than 2 solid substances having the same crystal structure. The crystal structure same. These are called isomorphs. Iso same morph structure. Ham shakal. دي ده بقى هم شكل ويا دي بقى اشكال يوشاني دي بقى جيومتريكال شيب يوشاني دي بقى كريستال شيب يوشاني كريستال ستراكشر يوشاني دي ده بقى هم شكل وي And this phenomenon, this process, this reality, this existence is known as isomorphism. دې لپاره conditions بیا دا دي چې کم isomorphs دي چونکې دا به 2 or more than 2 substances دي substances به different دي خو crystal shape به same جوړیږي نو isomorphs have different chemical properties. The isomorphs pa chemical properties different دي ځکه چې compounds different دي the structure نه علاوه به physical properties هم different دي compounds different دي melting point به different دي boiling point به different دي density کې به فرق دي solubility کې به فرق دي خو صرف یو physical property shape بداغي یو شانی No, they have different chemical properties as well as some different physical properties. Conditions are compounds different. No, the same crystal shape will jodegi. The crystal structures will yoshan kigi. The para conditions are condition. Students, condition that different compounds having the same atomic ratio. Compounds having the same atomic ratio have same crystalline structures or crystal structures. That was a condition. چې کله د different compounds atomic ratio same نو د هغې combination process به same او crystal structure به same دا ستاسو لپاره یو MCQs دی چې د crystalline د isomorphs لپاره conditions څه دی they have same atomic ratio different atomic ratio sometimes same sometimes different یا none of the above and all of the above نو تاسو به pick کوئ same atomic ratio first one word meaning show second one definition third one داغی chemical properties کے difference او sub physical properties in بدل دی او conditions بدائی چې که same atomic ratio دا the different compounds کے the atom په منځ کې نو داغی crystal shape با یو شان جوړیږي next example طرف ته ځو what are the examples of those different compounds which have the same crystal structures and which show isomorphism compound name دلته لیکم compound next بیا atomic ratio next بیا داغي crystal shape بسئی او last one بیا length of sides and degree of angles length of sides and degree of angles دې باندې خبره کوم the length of sides and degree of angles نمخ کې سټوډنټس تاسو ته یو دوه درې خبرې کلیر کوم دا فار ایگزامپل یو کرسټل شیپ دی دا کیوب خو نه دی خو دا کیوب ته نږدې دی د دې درې سایډز دي کله چې کرسټلز مونږه ډیفرنشیټ کوو سټرکچر ډیفرنشیټ کوو نو د هغې لپاره 6 پیرامیټرز دي अब आप नेक्स्ट सेशन की इंशाल्लाह पर डिटेल बारे डिस्कस को यो आगे की लेंथ ऑफ साइड्स ही दस साइड ए दिस इज साइड बी एंड दिस इज साइड सी द थ्री लेंथ द हर यो क्रिस्टल डिफरेंट की दिशी सब की सेमी धर्म की दिशी बहरहाल मंगे डिफरेंशिएट को क्रिस्टल्स फ्रॉम वन एंड अनदर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ देयर साइड ए बी एंड सी and the degree of angles between them यो एंगल दारे 1 यो एंगल दारे 2 यो एंगल दारे 3 नो 6 पैरामीटर्स शू दा 6 पैरामीटर्स की द डिफरेंस द वजह द क्रिस्टल शेप सही द डिफरेंटी और द आगे पर बेस बानी बिया 7 क्रिस्टल सिस्टम दी आगे तक क्रिस्टलोग्राफी वही आगे बानी में इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट सेशन की बिया बास कहो नो 3 साइड्स एंड 3 एंगल्स जायो 3 sides students side A B and C और 3 angles alpha beta and gamma का फर्ज का मोंग दी लक्षण डिटेल उआयु चे तास्तो पदी क्रिस्टल शेप की बिया आसानी नुदासिबू को दायो शेप दे Students पता है कि 3 sides दी that's your side for example this is side A this is side B and this is side C the 3 sides दी पमंस के एंगल the A और B side पमंस के एंगल the A और B पमंस के एंगल दबा तासो गेमा आले दा यो ट्रैक दे the side A और B पमंस के एंगल the A or B, sorry. This is A and C side. Dayo wale first one here. Side A and B pamans ke angle. Side A and B. Daba gamma alay. Side A and C. A and C. Biya bada angle beta alay. Aur daba automatically alpha padish. A for alpha, B for beta, C for gamma. C for gamma. AB combination de side AB angle alay dayo bali. Side AC angle alay A or C. A da para alpha, C da para gamma, beta ba alay. Aur kada B or the C pamans ki alay the B side B or side C pamans ki da angle alay the B or the C B da para beta, C da para gamma biya ba alpha alay. Dayo short trick show. Now these are the 6 parameters which differentiate one crystal from the other. The basic background show. Us example taraf tazu. What are the examples of isomorphs? First one, sodium fluoride and magnesium oxide. Atomic ratio: sodium 1, fluorine 1. 1-1 ratio. Magnesium 1, oxygen 1. Here is also the same 1-1 ratio. Crystal shape, cubic. Students, cubic shape satawai. Cubic shape आगे तवई. Shape आगे के all the sides are of equal length. Side A, side B, side C. दे length योशानी. मतलब side A 1 centimeter दे, side B 1 centimeter दे, side C 1 centimeter दे. So all the sides are of equal length, and all the angles are of equal degree. Alpha is equal to 90 degree. Beta is equal to 90 degree and gamma is also equal to 90 degree. Tasuguri the side A shall let's suppose. This is side B. The side A or B pamans ki angle gamma da 90 da. This is side B and this is side C. The B or the C pamans ki angle alpha da. Am 90 da vertical bilkul deta bilkul da vertical. This is side C and this is side A. A or the C pamans ki angle beta. The beta angle by. No da badrewana yoshani. This is the example of cube. Now length of sides. Side A is equal to B, which is equal to C, and angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, and every one of them, each one of them is equal to 90 degree. Second example is that of potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Potassium here 1, nitrogen 1, oxygen 3. Here also sodium 1, nitrogen 1, oxygen 3. 1-1-3 ratio ki di. Shape is a rhombohedral. A rhombohedral. What is a rhombohedral shape? Students, rhombohedral shape ki angle yoshani side yoshani. Side A is equal to B, which is equal to C. all the sides are of equal length, and all the angles are of equal degree, but not equal to 90 degree. Angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, or none of them is equal to 90 degree. That 90 barabar nahi. Matlab greater than 90 ya less than 90. Example number 3. Zinc oxide and cadmium sulfide. Zinc 1, oxygen 1, cadmium 1, sulfur 1. 1-1 ratio kida combined. Shape is hexagonal. Hexagonal. The dwanu shape same day. Compound differently. Same crystal shape day. But these students, what is hexagonal shape? On the basis of these 6 parameters, length of sides and angles between them. Side A is equal to B and it is not equal to C. Two sides are of equal length. AB side are of equal length, but side C length is different from both A and B. A or B side length by Oshani. The C side length by Radwana Kami ya Baziati. Angles alpha is equal to beta and these are equal to 90 degree. Alpha is equal to 90 degree, beta is equal to 90 degree, and gamma is equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. Dapa 6 parameters bani dagi explanation show. Students who go sodium fluoride, magnesium oxide, two different compounds, but they have the same crystal shape, cubic, because of the same atomic ratio. Potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate are two different compounds having the same crystal shape, crystal structure, so these are isomorphs, the hamshakali, because of the same atomic ratio in both the compounds. Our shape, rhombohedral. Zinc oxide and cadmium sulfide are two different compounds, but they have the same crystal shape. Isomorphs, hamshakali, isomorphism shoki due to the same atomic ratio. So these were all about the various examples of isomorphs which show isomorphism. Second property taraf to students, this is also another important, very important property of all crystalline solid. Property number 9. Property number 9. Ninth property, which is polymorphs and polymorphism. Polymorphism. Polymorphs. Polymorphs. Students, word meaning, the word poly means many, morph means structure, shape, and ism means phenomena. Poly means many, morph means structure, shape, and ism means phenomenon. Phenomenon. Here it is many structure phenomenon. Many structure phenomenon. Compound one day, dagi ulta. Compound one day, hopa more than one crystalline shape ya form ke exist kigi. Now the existence जो definition तरफ था, definition. The existence मौजूद होना of a substance in more than one crystalline shapes is called polymorphism, and the various are different crystalline structures या shapes are called polymorphs. This is the definition. डिफिनेशन की मंगवे द एग्जिस्टेंस मौजूद होना ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस वन सब्सटेंस in more than one crystalline shapes or structures is called polymorphism. यो substance दे यो टाइम दागी crystals मुंग जुड़ को दागी यो shape बल टाइम दागी अगर crystal shape different राशि reason सदे या बा अगर conditions मुंग change करी temperature slow cooling मम कड़ाई बल टाइम बा fast cooling की या बागी की impurities मौजूदी सवज बदागी कंडीशन चेंज के दो सरदा चेंज कीगी नो द यो कंपाउंड एग्जिस्टेंस पर मोर देन वन क्रिस्टलाइन शेप की दिस फिनोमेना इज नोन एज पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म और अगर डिफरेंट अशकाल डिफरेंट क्रिस्टल शेप्स डिफरेंट क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर्स आगे तब पॉलीमॉर्फ्स हुई पॉलीमॉर्फ्स मेनी शेप्स डिफिनेशन 2 स्टूडेंट्स यो डिफिनेशन दारे स्तासो द आसानी दफारा second definition zeli kama definition number 2 definition 2 ki the occurrence of the same crystalline substance the occurrence of the same crystalline substance in more than one crystalline form. More than one crystalline form under different conditions. This is the shart. Under different conditions. Conditions were different. कंडीशन सेम ही ब्या वाले डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर जोड़ाई और कंडीशन चेंज की नो द अकरेंस मौजूद होना ऑफ द सेम क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंस यो क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंस थे अब आगा वजूद ले रही आगा एग्जिस्ट ही मौजूदी इन मोर देन वन क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म्स यो जे की पे यो क्रिस्टल शेप की दे बल टाइम बबल क्रिस्टल शेप की दे अंडर डिफरेंट कंडीशंस दा जगत ऐसी कई कंडीशंस डिफरेंट कीगी नो डिफरेंट कंडीशंस बानी नदी अगर स्ट्रक्चर से कीगी चेंज कीगी दी फिनोमेना था पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म हुई एंड दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ऑल क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स स्टूडेंट्स द पॉलीमॉर्फ्स वा पॉलीमॉर्फ्स हैव same chemical properties. Chemical properties but same. Why? Polymorphs have same chemical properties. This is your MCQs. Reason sade, reason दारे जी compound same दे. Same और chemical reactivity खुदा का same compound है हर जगह पे योशान reactivity. Strength of forces. The atom performance की चीज़ें अब same ही कागा पर हर शक्ल की दे. No chemical properties be same is a compound same day and different physical properties and different physical properties. Physical properties बदली physical properties मतलब ये shape बदल दे the shapes are बिया melting point, boiling point, density देखे फर्क राजी refractive index देखे फर्क राजी thermal expansion के फर्क राजी. The physical properties but differently. This is also your MCQs. MCQs के मुख्तलिफ ऑप्शन वर खड़ी. Option first one MCQs बदासी. Polymorphs have dash properties. First one same chemical properties. Second one different physical properties. Third one both A and B. Fourth one none of these. No तासु both A and B तज़ाई. कपरस के बदी की यो वर खड़े हो. दा यो वो बियाबा दाम मार्क का हुई कदा यो वो बियाबा दाम मार्क का हुई का बोथ ए एंड बी ऑप्शन पे क्यों बियाबा अगर सी नंबर ऑप्शन मार्क का हुई बोथ ए एंड बी एग्जांपल तरफ तुझू व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दोज सब्सटेंसेस व्हिच शो पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म एग्जांपल्स सकेदेशी एग्जांपल फर्स्ट वन दे पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट KNO3. One example. Second example is silver nitrate. The third example is calcium carbonate. The three examples. All these three compounds exist in two polymorphic structures, rhombohedral and orthorhombic. Rhombohedral. Plus orthorhombic. Similarly, silver nitrate also exists in rhombohedral and orthorhombic. Similar is the case for calcium carbonate. Students, potassium nitrate for a rhombohedral state ki humi da crystal shape humshta or orthorhombic da shape humshta. Thus, the silver nitrate whom a rhombohedral, this rhombohedral is also known as triclinic. This is triclinic humway. Triclinic wata humway or orthorhombic. The drevano crystal shape same. This compound can exist in more than one crystal form, so this show polymorphism under different conditions. Different conditions माने दास show कई polymorphism show कई. Students, a rhombohedral कम shape दे, rhombohedral कम shape था वही. Rhombohedral आगा shape दे, चिपागी के length of sides A, B, C. The drevano side length से शेरे दा same दे. और पर rhombohedral की, और angles alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha or beta and gamma da angle pagi sangadi da zata sta wema lago chikoma not equal to 90 degree, not equal to 90 degree. वक्ती हम यो example की मंगा उवे rhombohedral की चे आगा shape in which all the sides are of equal length and all the angles are equal but not equal to 90 degree, this crystal shape is known as a rhombohedral. For isomorphs ki da manga discuss ka makhina. What is orthorhombic shape? Orthorhombic shape ki use is different students. Yo trick this tasura paraga dare. Tasu wapas da wali ke A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Da mulika. Angles pa dekhiye. The sides पर देखिए total different. दाती क्रॉस कई बस. देवानी जान पोई के students 6 parameters दी 3 side दागी length 3 angles दागी degrees. When all the sides are of equal length and all the angles are equal and none of them is equal to 90 degree, this shape is called rhombohedral. When all the sides are of different length, side A, B, C length yobal na badal, angle palmans ki miyoshan, each one is equal to 90 degree. Alpha 90, beta 90, gamma 90. This shape is known as orthorhombic. This is, students, this is orthorhombic shape. This is the clear example of orthorhombic shape. Here you can see side A length, this is a start wali the side A show. The length kam de, side B length the dina seva de, side C length the total seva de. Side A length come side A. Side B length like seva de. Side C the denam seva de. The drevano side length equal nade. Now all the three sides are of different length. Angles drevana yoshandi students. The side A or side B pamanski chikam angle de gamma the 90 de. The side B or side C pamanski chikam angle de B or C pamanski alpha angle. Agam vertical de 90 de. The side A or the C pamanski chikam angle de beta the 90 de. Now this is the perfect example of, this is the perfect shape of orthorhombic. So students, these were all about the two most important properties of crystalline solid. One was isomorphism, and the second was polymorphism. Thank you so much.